Friends, welcome to part 11 of the series Arithmetic Progression. Up till now we have uploaded 10 parts and the links of all these 10 parts are provided in the description box. I request you to go through all these 10 parts so that the topic of arithmetic progression will get completely revised. And now we have selected the questions from the R.S. Agrawal book, exercise 11A. Let us see the first question which is on the screen. The question is that the eighth term of from the end of the arithmetic progression 7, 10, 13, dash 184. Friends, here you have to find the eighth term from the end of the given arithmetic progression. From the last term you have to find the eighth term of the AP. While dealing with such type of question, we write the AP in a reverse way. It means we write the last term as the first term. So it will be 184 will be the first term. Now here the common difference is second term minus first term, that is 3. While writing the AP in a reverse way, we will have to take the common difference as minus 3. Here the numbers are increasing, so when you will write it in a reverse way, the numbers will go on decreasing, so you will have to take minus 3 as the common difference. So 184 minus 3, that will be 181. 181 minus 3, that will be equal to 178. Dash and the last term will be the first term. And now here A is equal to 184 and the common difference, that is equal to 181 minus 184, that will be minus 3, and we have to find the eighth term now. So A8, which is equal to A plus 7D. Here you know A, put the value, that is 184 plus 7 multiplied by D, and what is D? It is minus 3. So minus 3, which is equal to 184 minus 7 3s are 21, and 184 minus 21, that is equal to 163. So here friends, you have got A8 is equal to 163. Highlight this and write the answer at the end, that the eighth term from the end of the given arithmetic progression is 163. Now let us move to the second question. Find the sixth term from the end of the AP 17, 14, 11 and the last term is minus 40. I hope you can solve this. Pause the video, try it yourself and then check whether your answer is correct or not. Here I am solving the same question. So write the first this AP in a reverse way, so that last term will be the first term minus 40. Here the common difference is minus 3. So you will take plus 3 as a common difference and go on adding plus 3 in each successive term. So minus 40 plus 3, that will be minus 37. Then minus 37 plus 3, that will be minus 34. And so on, and the first term will be the last term. Now here A is equal to minus 40 and common difference D is equal to 3. And now we have to find the sixth term, that is A6 you have to find, that is given by A plus 5D. So which is equal to A is what? Minus 40 plus 5 multiplied by D. D is what? It is 3. So which is minus 40 plus 5 3s are 15, which is equal to minus 25. And therefore A6 is equal to minus 25. Highlight this and write the answer at the end, that the sixth term from the end of the given AP is minus 25. Now let us move to the another question. The question is on the screen, that is 184 a term of AP 3, 7, 11, 15 and dash. Here we have to check that 184 whether it is a term of this AP or not. Remember that the number of terms will never be a fractional number. Number of terms will never be a fraction. It will be always a whole number. So here first we will find n and check whether it is a fractional number or a whole number. So a is 3. A is equal to 3. Common difference, that is second term minus first term, that is 7 minus 3, that is 4. And the last term, that is an, which is equal to 184. Now here an is 184, but this an can be written as an is equal to a plus n minus 1, close the bracket, into d. So 184, which is equal to a plus, put the values here directly. Now here a, we know the value of a, that is 3, plus n minus 1 because we have to find the value of n, and d is 4, so multiplied by 4. So 184, which is equal to 3 plus multiply by 4 inside the bracket, so it will be 4n, and 4 ones are 4, that is minus 4. So 3 minus 4, that will be minus 1. So 184, which is equal to 4n minus 1. Take minus 1 to this side, it will be plus 1, and so 4n, which is equal to 185. So n will be equal to 185 divided by 4. If you divide by 4 to 185, there will be a remainder. We cannot divide 185 by 4 completely, and therefore the number of terms that we are getting is a fractional number. And since the number of terms is a fractional number, 184 is not a term of the given AP. And therefore, friends, at the end you have to write, since n is a fractional number, n is a fraction, 184 is not a term of the given AP, is not the term of the given AP. Now move to the another question. The question is minus 156 a term of AP 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on? So minus 156, whether it is a term of this given AP or not, that you have to check. This is as simple as that of the previous question. I hope you will be able to solve this. So try it yourself, and please write your answer in the comment box. So whatever be your answer, whether it is a term or whether it is not a term. So friends, I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.